Hello friends, can you guess why these vehicles have gathered here today? Any guess why is that? Let me tell you. And let's look at these barriers, how they made here to make fail every vehicle in their challenge. So let's begin to see who is gonna win this game. They are here to play a choose the right mystery box game. And here this pink car begins, taking time to choose the slider. And it chooses the green one. And it starts to crossing all of the barriers there. Wow, beautifully crossed. And it's trying to open the door, but oh no! Car fell into the big ocean there. And look here, this tractor begins. It chooses the yellow slider. And it crossed that barriers too. And yes, it's opening all of the doors. But now what? Look, it crossed that barrier too. And there it jumped. And took a second one. But oh no! Tractor fell in the water, friends. Now here the JCB starts. And it chooses the pink slider. There it crossed all the barriers. And now opening the doors one by one. And it crossed that barriers too. And look how it's jumped. Superb. There it reached in front of that mystery boxes. And it chooses the red one. Yes, it got the keys. And JCB got the fuel there. And there the bus starts there. And it's going through the red slider. And look how it's crossing that barrier straight. Now opening the doors. And cross that barriers too. And it jumps. Jumped again and reached for the mystery boxes. It chooses the green box. but it got a boxing punch instead of keys, friends, and then it threw the bus away. Now the fire truck starts here. And it chooses the orange slider. And it's crossing that barrier smoothly. Now it's opening the doors. And crossing that barrier. But oh no, it threw away that fire truck.